You're out blowtorching a dress with your friends the other day.
Welcome back to Setting Dawn on Fire, Behind the Scenes. I'm Rachel Fern, and this is episode 2, where we're going to learn about how to safely use this propane torch to ruin an article of clothing. I have no experience using propane blowtorches, so that is why I have the confidence to teach a tutorial on the topic. Now, full disclosure, this is not the first time that I have lit fires with Dawn. In 2015, Dawn was in the studio during a shoot with Jessica Patrick, and we decided that she needed burned angel wings. So our solution was to turn it into an episode of Mr. Wizard and get a can of hairspray and a lighter and just take to the wing to make it perfect. It did work. The wing looked nice and singed, and it really completed the gruesome burn look. However, in retrospect, that might not have been the safest option. So we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna cover some basic steps to stay safe. And you can see how we go from this to our goal, which is a burned, tattered dress. All right, let's get started. Look at me, I'm an expert. Whoa! Catches fire.
Let's go grab the fire extinguisher.
Do you want me to grab the fire extinguisher? Okay. Pull, it's pull, aim, sweep, something.
Close enough.
Okay. How do you get it to go out?
Kick it.
Oh, it's crunchy. As you can see, we've got a good shape to it. We burned a considerable amount of fabric off. We got this nice hole here in the boob that I'm pretty excited about. To me, it needs to look more dramatically charred, so I'm going to take this black spray paint and just kind of dust some of the edges and see if I can make it a little more dramatic so in the photos Dawn will really look like she's actually on fire. Whoa, I need to get some fresh air. Shit. Okay, so that completes our look. As you can see, we've got our dress burned. There's a couple things that I want to just point out if you're trying this at home, to all my kindred spirits and fellow weirdos. I know for sure that this dress fits our model Dawn really well, so I felt like I could be pretty precise and get this hole in the side of the dress. One thing that I was careful not to do is burn anything in the structure of the dress. So even though I got this hole here, I still left some of this dart intact, and I didn't get the flame anywhere near the zipper in the back because we need that for putting the dress still has to fit her body. What I'm going for with this photo shoot is this super charred, burned look, and as much as Dawn wanted me to actually set her on fire, I strongly believe that in this case, and in a lot of cases, fake is going to look more real than real. So I think the flames, the Photoshop flames are going to look more realistic and dramatic than real flames, and I think that our fake, our charred spray paint blowtorch thing is going to look better than if we had just lit the dress on fire and let it go wherever it wanted to go. So this is our final wardrobe for our photo shoot with Dawn. We're setting Dawn on fire, which is coming up next weekend. Make sure to look out for our next episode where I will be testing out special effects makeup on Kenny. Make sure you click the link in the description if you'd like to book your own photo shoot. If you want any of the artwork featured in this video, it's all available on Fine Art America in the Setting Dawn on Fire collection.